How to add your phone number on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to add phone number on your Binance account, firstly open the Binance app on your device and log into your account. After you're signed in, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. From the expanded page, click on your name at the top. Now from the account info, click on security. Inside security, tap on this little arrow and you'll see the phone number option. Click on that. On the next page, click on add phone number. Now, go ahead and enter the verification code that will be sent to you via your email associated with Binance. Check your email inbox and enter the code that was sent to you. On the next page, enter your phone number you want to add. Type down your phone number in the first field and then click on Get Code on the next field. You'll then receive a verification code sent to you on your mobile number. Enter it in the text box. After you do that, click Submit, and if the code is correct, you'll be able to bind or add your phone number on Binance. After adding your phone number, your account will be better protected and you'll be able to use SMS verification for supported security features and account actions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.